everybody, I'm Nancy G. Baker. Today I want to tell you about a nacho recipe I found. It's from Frugal Mom, and it has a cauliflower base. She puts black beans and tomatoes. You can add avocado, so there's some really good healthy ingredients. There's also chips and cheese because they are nachos, but it's really a tasty recipe. I'll include a link to her channel because she's got a lot of great recipe ideas. Now, when I made them, I did the vegetables separate. Christine is married and has 4 kids that are older, so I'm not sure she's used to leftovers. So I ended up with some really yummy leftovers. And what I'd say about this is you can heat these up just like this. You can put them on top of a salad. They're really good. It's great to have leftovers that are healthy like this. If you want more recipe ideas like this or YouTube channels you might be interested in, make sure you give me a thumbs up. So let me show you how to make the nachos.